The mortgage mess, incidents of fraud are on the rise. Our area is no exception. As Kathleen O'Toole shows you, this latest crime involves a Wellington man and many of your wallets.
Idyllic Wellington home sits in the middle of a mortgage fraud case as federal prosecutors say this man, 55-year-old Orlando Gonzalez, orchestrated a progression of buyers to squeeze equity from the house. His alleged take, nearly $500,000.
Federal documents show that Gonzalez used his mother-in-law's good credit, then his mother's, and finally a couple of friends. Prosecutors say he made up fictitious jobs, salary information, even rental income. The people who almost immediately stopped paying their mortgages are what are called straw buyers.
Then you're going to bring in this straw buyer. That may be someone who got a couple $1,000s just to let you use their name and credit score.
Mortgage broker Danny Poulos examined the scheme for us. He says in the recent heyday of the real estate market, banks were not verifying any information, and straw buyers were recruited.
So they then buy the house. In most cases, they're told, don't worry about anything. You're going to sign paperwork. I'm going to resell the house in 6 more months for more money, and I'm going to split the profits with you.
In this case, prosecutors say when the third straw buyer defaulted, National City Bank lost $400,000. And Poulos says legitimate buyers are losing out as well.
Now you've got quality borrowers who can't qualify for a loan because each file is so heavily scrutinized and the guidelines are so tight. And they're paying higher rates because of it.
Out on a federal surety bond, Gonzalez was not at the apartment he listed as his home during a Palm Beach County check fraud arrest last week. A much more modest stay compared to the million-dollar beauty he reportedly was able to mortgage over and over.
Now, if convicted, Gonzalez faces as many as 20 years in prison. An important note here, there are new buyers in the home. They just recently moved in, and they have nothing to do with the current mortgage fraud case. Live in the newsroom tonight, Kathleen O'Toole, WPBF News 25.